Alrighty guys, Chris from Oz Canopies and 4x4 here. We are getting a steel canopy fitted on this GWM Cannon Alpha. This one is the plug-in hybrid version, so just letting you guys know that the steel canopy suits all the Alphas. Plug-in hybrid, your regular standard HEV model as well. You can see we've already got started adding the brackets on the passenger side here. There's going to be equivalent brackets on the driver's side going into the OEM positions to make sure that you get the best clean fit and finish that you can. But we're going to follow through the assembly process and also the fitting of the canopy onto this ute. And on top of that, we are adding a platform with the backbone. So you can see the rails are going. On the right side, it's already gone. On the passenger side, it's going to go. We're going to replace that with a nice, lovely backbone fitting. And then we're going to put two platforms, so one on the car, one on the canopy. We're going to level them out. Big job. Let's get into it. I'm going to stop yapping.
sights one to be heard. Let's pause for the music. How we feel the music. Protective of my peace. I can feel your all. You can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down. Let's cool down.
Yeah, I got a situation. You could tell me if I'm right or wrong. She's quite the sensation, but the list goes on and on. Touching on her tattoos, while she does coke in the bathroom, while the band plays in the back room, trying to take her out the venue. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's just stuck in my head. Lives the satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's just stuck in my head. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's still stuck in my head. Lives the satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's still stuck in my head. Yeah, I want a conversation, but her body's moving all night long. I should tell her what I'm thinking, but those hips are moving way too fast. She's looking like she doesn't even see me. How do I get this girl's attention? Stage lights are so bright and they're flashing. Think my ego is falling and I'm crashing. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's still stuck in my head. Lives the satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's still stuck in my head. Touching on her tattoos, while she does coke in the bathroom. She's somebody that don't need somebody that don't need nobody that don't need somebody. Somebody needs somebody, don't need nobody but her. I'm nobody without her.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are now joining you in a very wet afternoon, right? God has decided to create a water testing for us, but good news for the guys that don't come on a rainy day. We also water test all our canopies before they leave the shop. All right, anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy the fitting process, all right, on this GWM Cannon Alpha and the assembly process. Of course, if you guys want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. We've got heaps of these more fitting videos on the way across all the different makes and models, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bit of the fitting video of getting the platforms onto the cars as well. Anyway, more importantly, I'll just go through the function of it or the use of the canopy while we're at it. So lift up 3 doors. This customer decided to spec it with a storage box as well. You guys would have seen that in the video too. Have a look there, just how much space you get there. Just open the rear door first, all right, and then you can sort of drop the tailgate. You've got all of that space, all of that access. Once again, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, we will see you on the next fitting video.